Izzy. Frank. Anyways, Izzy, do you want to say a few words? If you don't mean dramas tomorrow. What's that for me? Oh, come here. We got another performance. A song by Saia. Can I call up Saia? Please, Saia.
Please speak.
Hi, Saia. Just before you sing the song.
Sit in the middle.
I was going to interview you. Can we do an interview?
Oh my god.
I've seen you somewhere. That's the one. Saia, Papa. How do you know Angel?
We grew up. We went to primary. We've been in the same class since. It's been ages, eh? I've known her since primary.
Did you go Mega College as well?
It's maybe.
And your years in Mega College, Angel Wag School.
He's not good.
I need to pause.
Sorry, it was quite a few days. And
Was that at the Mangry Town Centre Library?
yeah, with Anne and
Auntie Doris, Anne's over there.
That's over here.
Oh, over here. Hi, Anne. And Billy Eugene.
oh, she.
In one word, how would you describe Angel? In one word. Or 3, 2, 4. Ready? Let's give it another hand for Saia, everyone.
She's gone inside.
Is this a backing track? No. Can you turn it down?
Baby, since the day you came.
Off. Cool. Like off, honestly, please. Cool. See that song? I was gonna sing it, but the real guy sang it, and it sounds real better than how I usually sing. So probably need to change the song. Sorry. Just before I start, I just want to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Saia. No, I'm not single. I have a girlfriend. Thank you. Sorry. I went to school with Angel. We went to primary. We went to Ngāiwi, and we sort of grew up around the block from each other. Like my house is over here, and if you stood on the roof, you can see Angel's house if she stood on the roof. Angel will probably stand up. You'd see her from anywhere. So I was going to get up when the MC was over here. Just a funny story. I think back in about before 2000, I'd say 98 or 99, me and Angel were in the same class. And we were going to have a fight. And I don't know what we were fighting over. Yeah, but we were gonna have fun anyway, like both our arms are up like this. I was like, yeah man, what's up? Well, that's not she goes, yeah man, come on. And apparently I didn't hook her, she hooked herself. She hooked her hands up like this, and I punched her hand to punch her eye. So it was all good, like I didn't have to deal with her parents and all that stuff. And happy birthday. Anyway, so I'm just gonna sing this song, I'll sing it a cappella. This song's for you, Angel, it's called So High. Not like Baby, since the day You came into my life. You made me realize that we were born to fly. You showed me every day new possibilities. You proved my fantasies of love could really be. Let's go to a place only lovers go, to a spot that we've never known. To the top of the clouds we flow, to the way, yeah. Ooh, this love is crazy. Oh, it's so amazing. Baby, we're so high, walking on cloud nine. So high, it's so high. Maybe later we could go up to the moon and sail among the stars before the night is through. And when morning comes, we'll see the sun is not so far, and we can't get much closer together where we are. We'll go to a place only lovers go, to a spot that we've never known. To the top of the clouds we flow, to the way, yeah. Ooh, this feels so crazy, how this love is blazing. Baby, we're so high, walking on cloud nine. So high, so high.
Man, let's give a big applause to Saia. That was me.
Oh, Saia!